Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Tuesday, October 28th. 889-point rally today. And everybody wants to know, is it real or is it a relief rally? And I'm going to tell you, it's both. For those stocks that have not seen their lows yet, it's a relief rally. And for those stocks that have seen their lows, and I think there probably are quite a few of them, I think today's rally was real. Now, the rally did not breach any important technical areas yet. So on a, from a technical point of view, I can't give it a lot of significance, but from this point of view, I do give it a lot of significance that the market was able to rally. It tells us that there are days when this market will rally 600, 700, 800 points. So that the process of, backing and filling and building some sort of a basey foundation is possible, because a bottom is not a day. It's a series of days. Okay, it's a process, and the process has to look like every rally has to go a little bit higher than the last rally, and each pullback cannot go below the low of the last pullback. And that takes many days of rallies and pullbacks, rallies and pullbacks, rallies and pullbacks. So today's action was very encouraging, the fact that the market is able to at least rally and have part of that process working. So, my indicator is very overbought. There may be a short follow-through tomorrow morning, but somewhere along the line, they've got to pull back again. And in that pullback, once again, that pullback is going to be very important, because if they can hold above the last low that they made 2 days ago, we just may have some kind of a base being built. So like I said, they're short-term overbought. They need to pull back. But if they can hold the lows and start up again and surpass the last high, we may have something going. So while that process is taking place, I am not going to highlight any new stocks. I want to watch this market for a few days. There are some possibilities maybe on the long side, but still skittish about them. I want to see what the pullback looks like. We'll take a look at Pantry, which we put out today. I already got $1.25 loss, but we have our buy stops in place. So if any of these stocks get away from us, we'll just take our loss and move on. And there'll be many trades ahead of us. Although I still think Pantry's going to work out. I think Pantry's one of those stocks where it's a relief rally in. So without further ado, we're going to take a look at all the indexes. I'll show you what has to happen to have some kind of technical significance. And there were a couple of reversal days in some of the indexes. So although they're not really basing solid formations, they're always interesting to technicians. Don't know why, but they just interest us. These outside reversal days that close on the high are always interesting days, and we've had a couple of them today, so I'll point them out to you. So without further ado, we'll take a look at Pantry Pride, and then we'll take a look at all the major indexes, and I'll show you what we need to happen. Like I said, the bottom's going to be a process. It's not going to be one day. So today's rally was a relief rally, and it was also a real rally. Okay, I'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay, this Pantry Pride. I'm sure you remember this. Shorted this stock this morning at 1860. I was so happy with the price, and then it closed at 1984, which is about $1.20 above my cost. But this is our buy stop area right here. That's why I had the line there. A close above that. I still think this could possibly be just a kickback rally, because I think the stock's got to come down to here, but we'll see. let's move on to the major indexes, and I will we'll talk about a couple of different scenarios. Okay, this is the Dow. Big day. Undisputable big rally. Okay, this is our key spot right here. This is what we have to break above. Now, we're so overbought that I still think we've got to pull back and we've got to test this area down here. If we're able to hold this and start back up and get above this area right in here, then we've got something going. So the pullback, you know, we've always got to wait for this pullback, and we've got to watch it and see where it holds and see where the next rally starts from. But today, the importance of today is the fact that the market can rally. That's important to know, because if it can't rally at all, then we're not going to get a base built. QQQQs, good size rally. They're all percentage-wise, they're all about the same. That's our key area we need to get above, and this is the low that we don't want to break on any pullback if we're trying to turn the corner here. Like I said, this is going to be a process. It's not a one-day event. I'm jumping around because I don't have the right watch list up. Okay, the transportation average. Okay, here's one of those outside reversal days that us technicians like. You know, there's no foundation in it. I mean, the only fact is that it has a lower low and a higher high, and you know, a lot of times it's the signal of something. It's like a reversal signal. Okay, and it may very well be, but you can still see we're still in this downtrend, and the key area we need to get above is right there. So if it is the bottom, you know, we'll have plenty of time. We need to see this process of this backing and filling. We need to see higher highs and higher lows. Russell 2000, another one of these outside reversal days with a close on the high, but still in this downtrend. You know, today's just one piece of the picture, and the jury's still out. And when we'll know the jury is still in is when we come back down, do not make a new low, rally back up, and make a higher high than the last time. And that's the signal we're looking for. SPYs, still in this downtrend, right up to the top of the trend line, although that's not as important as this spot right here. That's the key area we're trying to get through. So like I said, it didn't breach any technical areas, the rally, but it did say to us, yes, I'm alive and I can rally when I want to. There is money out there to be put into the stock market, and that's the message we got today. So today basically said that there's a chance that we might be building some kind of a bottom here, but the jury is still out. We need to see more evidence, and that's why I'm holding back on any new ideas. I want to see what develops over the next couple of days. So that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.